Very good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, all. Yeah. So yesterday, just we have discussed. Yeah. Yes, guys, I'm recording the session, but I don't know. I'm recording. Just started. Let's see. Yesterday, even I recorded, but it has not been updated to server. It might be some network is volatile. I don't know that. Yeah. So, guys, yesterday we discussed aliasing. Today we discussed what is aliasing. So just I told you aliasing can be done in two ways. That is by using as operator, or you can say as keyword, or without using as keyword. But guys, we have not discussed a single query on that. So let us discuss few of the query. So today guys, first let us start with these two query. Let us start with these two query. Write a query Write a query display annual salary and commission for all the employees. So here guys, I want to perform aliasing. In the sense, what we have done, we wrote select sal into 12, select sal into 12, and then comma commission. But in the column name guys, we used to get sal into 12. So we used to get output like this. Let me execute the same again. Yes, so this is the table guys. Currently we do have, so yesterday we have executed, means we had a query, we have written like this, like we need to fetch the annual salary and commission for all the employees, for all the employees. Yeah, so we have done, just a second. My voice is breaking for everyone. Okay, and guys, if you, okay, fine then. Yeah, so where this query we wrote. So if we are going to write a query like this, so in column name, what we used to get guys? In column name, we used to get sal into 12. But I don't want to print sal into 12 guys. I want to print annual salary. I don't want to print guys sal into 12. I need to print annual salary. So for that, we have to go for aliasing. For that, we have to go for aliasing. So what is aliasing? It is an alternate name given to a column. In how many ways we can do it? Yes, correct. In how many ways we can do it? We can do it in two ways. Without using as of keyword or by using as. So for as keyword, what is the syntax? Select old column as new column from table name. So let us discuss this. Let us write a query for performing aliasing here. So I'll write select sal into 12, sal into 12 as as annual salary, as annual salary, annual salary. Then even I want commission, so commission from the table name guys, from the table name we have something as E. So we'll write EMPD. So you can see instead of sal into 12, we have given an alternate name. We have given an alternate name. So this is the first way. Even guys, we can do aliasing without using as of, without using as. So in most of the case, guys, we are not going to use as keyword or as operator. Basically, as is a keyword, not operator, guys. So if you want to perform by using as keyword, nothing great, guys. Just remove the as keyword. So just use ed. You know how to use ed, guys, and remove as keyword from here. As keyword from here. Save it and close. Save it, close, forward slash, enter. See, same output, no changes, guys. So yes, we can perform aliasing in two different ways. Yeah. So even guys, for this query, even for this second query, you can do like that. You can do like that. Yes, yes, you can give same column name. Whenever guys you are going to perform aliasing, you can give same. Suppose if salary column is present, you can give salary itself. It is just a temporary name which will be fetched in result table. It won't be stored in database or in table. Yes. So now let us go, guys. I gave some assignment. So now you people will discuss all the assignment, guys, one by one. So I need to find, yeah, write a query, write a query to display name and half term or half, okay, let's say half term, better, half term salary for all the employees. So half term in the sense 6 months salary. 6 month salary, 6 months salary. So what query you will write? Can you please tell me? Yes. So we need to write, guys, select first. Yes, correct. But guys, if you write sal into, yes, good. Yes, guys, we can write in many ways. We can write in many ways, guys. So select ename. Yes, good, guys. But perform aliasing. Without performing aliasing, don't try this query, guys. So sal into 6, give half term salary. Something like that you need to keep, guys. So select ename, comma, sal into 6. Sal into 6. If you want, use as operator. If you don't want, don't use as operator. So I'll give half term salary. I'll give, guys, half term salary. Select ename sal, comma, star, half term salary from EMP. From EMP. So now, guys, just let me execute the same. Let me execute the same, guys. We got name and half term salary. We got, guys, name and half term salary. So for a Smith, monthly salary is 800. You can see. Yes. Now, guys, now what I need to do, see, I want to give the space between half term and salary. See, if I'll write half term salary without a space, it won't look good, guys. Correct? If I write half term salary without space, it won't look good. So I need to give space after each string here. Yes, I want to print like this. I want to print, guys, half term salary like this. Okay, very good. I got, yeah. Yeah, you can use small character also. Santosh, you can use small, uppercase or lowercase, anything is fine. Yes, guys, but I want to divide, like after each character, I need to give space. So what we need to do? Yes, anyone else? What we need to do, guys? Yes, we can use anything. We can use anything. Yes. So what we have to do, guys? You want to give space, then remember, okay, concat and all will, concatenation and all will talk later. But if you want to perform, whenever you are performing aliasing, and if you want to give, guys, space after each string, then what we have to do? If you do like this, compiler will throw an error. compiler will throw an error. So what we have to do, guys, if we have more than one, no, by using as also it's not possible. So guys, whenever we have more than one name, whenever we have more than one aliasing name, so we have to write in double quotes. Yes, we have to write in double quotes. So nothing great, I'll just edit it. So this half term salary, I'll write in double quotes. If you want, you can write in lowercase also, guys, nothing like that. From double quotes, close this, execute. See, you got exactly half term salary. Yes. So remember the small point, guys. Note if we want to. Okay. Just a second. If we have more than one string as alias name, then we need to write 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 it in double quotes. Yes. So guys, whenever we have more than one string as alias name, so we have to write in double quotes. So let us move on for next query. So guys, next query, tell me output for next query. Tell me guys, answer for next query. Very good. Yes. So what is the query, guys? Write a query display name and department number and salary with hike of 100 in their original salary. Yes. So I'll write select name, sorry, in my table it's ename actually, ename comma department number. Yes, and I want guys salary with hike of RS 100 in the original salary. So I can write sal. Yes guys, tell me sal plus, I didn't get, okay, sal plus 100. Yes, sal plus 100. If you want, make use of as operator. If you don't want, I'll just write hike to sal. Right? Okay, sal. So again, guys, I'm passing two different string. Yeah. So I'll pass in double quotes. Um, let me try. Yes. So we got guys department number if you want. So guys, after writing each query, please verify with the table. Please verify with the table. So let's see. So what is the salary of a Smith? So salary of a Smith. Okay, first is Dinga. So Dinga salary here we had 0. So it has been hiked to 100 rupees. So 100. For Smith, it's 900. For this Allen, it is 1700 guys. So after each query, yeah, without as, okay. Yeah, if we are using as, then also you have to give double quote itself. If you are using as, then also you have to give double quotes. Okay, if you have doubt, then let me do that. As Same. If you are using, no, it's not required. It's not required. If you have only one thing, then it's not required. But suppose if you have more than, if you want to multiply, if you want to divide, and many more operations if you are going to do, then sometimes you will not get the predicted. So better, yes, yes. As key is optional. As keyword is optional here. Or you can say we can do in two ways. Yes, correct. Now, guys, tell me for next one. I hope you can. Yeah, tell me for next one, guys. I'll give time to copy. Don't worry. If you are not done, then I'll give 2 minute time. You can copy down neatly. But just concentrate here. If you. Yes, guys. Next one. Write a query to display name and annual salary with bonus of Rs 2000. Yeah. So Nikhil, if you want to change the name of two columns, then we have to go for DDL and DML. In the sense, we have to go for alter command. Now we are doing only DQL. We are fetching the data. We are not making any changes to my R table. Yeah. So is this query, is this answer correct, guys? Okay. Let me explain. Okay, not employee. It should be EMP actually. Yeah. Yeah. See, guys, you have to remember your query only I executed. I didn't wrote by myself. So remember the column name is. So hike salary. So for Dinga, guys, the salary was 0. So 1 year. See, now just compare, guys. Select a star from E. So after writing all the each query, please compare. So we are getting correct output or not? Just check it once, guys, all of you. Compare this salary and this original salary. Okay, Mansa. I'll share you the document. Just go through. Even yesterday I shared in the group. So just go through. If you have any doubt, I'll arrange the backend. But Mansa, just go through your notes once. Okay, okay. I'll share the link also. At last, just please remind me. So guys, is my correct? Is my output correct? We got expected output. Yes. See, so just check for Smith. So annual salary of a Smith will be 12 into 800, 9,600. So plus 2,000, so 11,600 is correct. Yes, guys, go for the next one. Have it tried. Next one. Okay, so I hope, guys, all of you can do this query. Yeah, I hope, guys, all of you can do this query. So I'm leaving. I'm going for fifth one, guys. Yeah. Okay. Yes, this query is very easy. So I hope you can do it. Yes, guys. Tell me answer for the last one. Write a query to display details, all the details of employee, we want, and even we want half term salary. And even guys, we want half term salary. Yeah, fourth query is very easy, so you can do it, no doubt. Okay, just think and let me know the fifth one. All the column names and we want half term salary at the last. Okay. Okay. Let me try, guys. Let me try whatever you suggested. Just let me try. First, let me share the screen. So all the details. So obviously we have to use star and half term salary. So salary into 6. Then from table name. So EMP. But you can see we are getting an error. We are getting an error, guys. We are getting an error. So guys, nothing great. Whenever we are passing here, whenever we are passing star as whenever we are passing star in select clause, we can't pass anything else. Whenever guys we are passing star in select clause, then we can't pass any other column name, any other expression, anything we can't pass, guys. That is not allowed. That is not allowed. But there is one way. There is one way. What we can do here, just small thing, guys, we will do. We'll write here. No, we are not going to talk about where clause now. Where clause and all we'll talk later. So I'll write emp dot star. So this is going to tell to the compiler from emp table select all the details. From emp table select all the details and then fetch the 6-month or half term salary. So guys, this is very important. Let me try. We are getting or not? See, we got. So emp dot star is going to represent select all the details from emp table. Yeah, we have selected. From clause will select the complete table. If you write a star, then you are not able to pass any other column. But I told you to, even you have to print, you have to fetch, retrieve the 6-month salary. So for that, you have to use like this. So better guys, here also perform aliasing as half term salary. So this is the query, guys. You have to yes. So guys, if 6 months salary is more than 2, is it? See, this is not the 12-month salary. This is monthly salary, guys. Arpita, this is the monthly salary. Yes. And so monthly salary into 6, we are getting 4,800. So guys, if you are not done, if you are not done with the query, I'll just give 2-minute time, guys. Please copy down. Then we'll move on, guys. And if you have any doubt, meanwhile, please ask. I'll just give 2 minutes. Please copy down, guys. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Ask now itself. Okay, I'll do fourth one. I'll do fourth. Yes, guys, tell me the answer for fourth one. So write a query to fetch paper size, line size, page size. We have a command: set page size some value, set line size some value. We have a command, guys. I taught, like I gave in second or third class, I hope. Yeah. So I want name, so I'll write select ename, comma, designation is nothing but job, guys, job. So see, there is no column as designation, so we have to make use of job itself. Yes. So comma name, comma job, along with 50%, okay, along with deduction of 50% in annual salary. Yes. So salary into 12. See, now here you have to make use of this. Salary into 12, guys, is nothing but your annual salary. But in that you have to deduct the 50% of the salary. So what you will do? Yes, can I use by to? Yes, correct. By. So whenever you have like this case, please make use of this. So this will give you the annual salary. Now use braces and divide by as you want, or annual salary with deduction of 50%. So like this, guys, you can from here. Let me execute first. Let me execute. We'll see we are getting output or not. Yes. So just let me verify with the table. So okay, I'll just check it, Sunny. So annual salary will be 9,600. So 50%, like the salary has been deducted. So we are getting 4,800. Getting 4,800. So after writing all the queries, please verify with the table, please. And like how, Chaitra? Yes, yes, you can like that. Yes, yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. But you are going to get the 50%, like 50% of the salary. So you will get the monthly salary. I want 50% like deduction in annual salary. So we have to do this. Yes, Sunny, what is your doubt? Why you are getting an error in query third? Okay, so already this query I wrote in that notes. Yeah. Yes. See, why you are getting an error, Sunny? I got the correct output. Check it. Check it. You will get the output. No doubt. Yeah. So this is all about, guys. So if you are not done, please copy down. Then we'll move on for the next topic. Okay, at last, let me check Sunny then. Check with the column name, spellings. Yeah. So done, guys. Any doubt? Shall we move on? Shall we go for next topic then? Okay. So guys, we are done with okay, good, good. So guys, this is all about your projection. So later, now let us move on for the next concept, that is selection. This is all about guys your projection. So the syntax we discussed, we have seen what is expression, what is aliasing, what is distinct keyword, and everything we discussed. So now let us move on, guys. Now you know what is distinct, what is expression, and what is aliasing, how to perform aliasing, guys. So I hope you can write query like this. Even I'll give some assignment, guys. So not to worry. So let's move on for the next concept, that is select. That is select. Yeah. So I gave definition already, guys. I gave a definition. Again, I'll define, guys. So what is selection in the sense? What is selection in the sense, guys? Retrieval of data, retrieval of data by selecting, or retrieval of data using both column and row. So retrieval of data using both column and row is known as select. It's known as select. It's known as selection. So now let me give syntax direct. Let me give guys syntax direct. So the syntax, guys, here syntax will remain same. Whatever syntax we do have in case of projection, syntax will remain same. But we are going to add here one more clause. This much, guys, the syntax, select clause, and all everything will remain same. We are going to add one more clause. Yes, so this is the syntax of your projection, guys. But we have to add one more thing here. We have to add here one more clause, that is where clause. That is, guys, where clause we are going to use. So where filter condition, where filter condition. So this is the, just a second. This is the syntax for selection. Yeah. Now let me explain what is where clause. Let me explain first, guys, what is where clause. So guys, any guess what is the use of where clause? Can anyone tell me, guys, what is the use of where clause? Okay, no problem. No problem, guys. Yes. So basically, guys, where clause is used to filter the records. Yes. In where clause, we can pass the condition, and based on that condition, guys, the records will be filtered. So first point is where clause. Where clause is used to filter the records. Is used to filter the records. Next point, guys. Now, how this where clause will execute? So basically, guys, this where clause will execute row by row. This where clause will execute, guys, row by row. So it execute will execute row by row. Now for where clause we can pass filter condition. We can pass filter condition. We can pass filter condition as an argument. So for where clause, guys, we can pass filter condition as an argument. Yes. And here, guys, even we can pass multiple filter condition also. Next point, let me give multiple filter condition can be passed in where clause. So this is all about, guys, use of where clause. So basically in single word, what is the use of where clause? So it is used to filter the records. How it will execute? So it will execute row by row. Now in where clause is going to accept as argument. So in that argument, in the argument of where clause, we are going to pass the filter condition. So now let us discuss order of execution. Let us discuss, guys, order of execution. Yes. So in case of selection, guys, we have three clauses. We have three clauses. In case of selection, guys, we have three clauses. So first clause we have select, then from, then where. So any case, guys, which clause will execute first? Out of these three, select, from, where, which clause will execute first? Very good. Obviously, guys, every time from clause will execute. Next, after from clause, guys, which clause? Yes, after from clause, guys, where clause will execute. Where clause will execute. After where clause, at last, select clause. Select clause. So I'll explain with the help of one table and this thing, guys, no need to worry. So what this from clause will do, brings the required table under execution. Is going to will bring, guys, required table under execution. Next, where clause filters the wanted record. Filters the wanted record to be fetched. Next, select clause, guys. Select clause selects whatever required, or selects the record, or selects the required record from result table. So this is the use case, and this is all about your selection. All about your selection. So now let me take a small table and we'll see how this execution is going to happen. How this execution will happen. But before that, please copy down all these points. Yes, guys, take down subheading as selection, and please copy down all the points. Then we'll see how exactly inside, like memory or inside the compiler is going to. So first copy down these points, and yeah, copy. Once you are done, guys, please let me know. Now, let us move on. We'll see how it executes internally. So for that, first let me draw a small table first. Okay, that's it. Don't want to move number of column and rows. So first I'll keep, let me give guys this table name as employee table itself. Employee table. So I'll give basically here three attributes of an employee: EID, ename, ename, and eSalary and eSalary. So let me enter some records also. Let's say employee is 10, name is Sunny, salary is 50,000, salary is 50,000. Let's say employee ID, second employee we have as 20, name is Akash, and let us take a salary as 60,000. Let me take the third record as 90. Let me take a name as Naveen. Let us say Naveen, salary as 30,000. 30,000. Let me take one more record. 125 is something as employee ID, and let me take a name as Prithvi. Prithvi, and salary as 50,000 itself. 50,000 itself. Yeah. So now this is the given table. Let us assume, guys, this is the given table, and they are going to ask you to write a query. So they are asking, write a query. Write a query to display all the details of an employee if they are getting salary equal to if they are getting salary equal to 50,000, equal to 50,000. Yes. So I want to write a query, guys, which will guys just filter the records, whoever is getting 50,000 as the salary. So what we are going to write, guys? So basically we will write here. Just tell me, guys, what query we will write here? Yes, by looking at this table, tell me what query we will write. Yeah, so all the details. So select star from the table name is employee. So employee is the table name. Yeah, and I want the details of employee who is getting salary equal to 50,000, where E of T sal is equals to 50,000. 50,000. First, guys, what is going to happen? First, my from clause will execute. No doubt at all. First, your from clause will execute. First, your from clause will execute. So once your from clause has been executed, it is going to select the complete table. It will select, guys, the complete from clause has been executed and it selected the complete table. Yes. After from clause, guys, we have something as after from clause, where clause will execute. Yes, condition will execute, guys. So yeah, so we'll get table like this. We'll get, guys, something like this. Hmm. Just a second. Yeah. So then, guys, after that, your where clause will execute. After that, your where clause will execute. So this where clause will execute after from clause. After from clause, this where clause will execute. Now, what this where clause will do, guys, it will check whether the condition is satisfied or whether the condition is satisfying or not. So basically, where clause will execute row by row, guys. Where clause will execute row by row. So it is going to check each row. It's going to check, guys, each row. So first it will check the first row. First it will check the first row. So yes, so the salary is equal to 50,000. So salary is equal to 50,000. So this row will be selected. This row will be selected. Next, up row by row. So again we'll go for next row. So 60,000, guys. So this row won't be selected. Next, again 30,000. It won't be selected. Again 50,000, guys. It will be selected. It will be selected. So we are going to get a small table like this, guys. So we'll get a small table in which, or you can say this is a result table also. In this case, you are going to be, you will have three columns. Have three columns. Let's say this is EID. 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 Then there's ename. Ename, and then ESAT. Just a second. Yeah, first and fourth row will be selected. Correct. ESAT. So in this table, guys, only two records will be present now. So 10, name will be Sunny. Name will be Sunny. One second. Name will be Sunny, and then salary will be 50,000. We will have, guys, one more record. We'll have one more record. So employee ID will be 125. Employee ID, guys, will be 125. Name is Prithvi. IPA spelling I miss. Prithvi. Prithvi, and then salary will be 50,000. Again here salary will be 50,000. Yes. So these table, guys, we are going to get after the execution of, we are going to get this record after the execution of where clause. get this after the execution of where clause. So where clause is the one which is going to select this. Where clause is the one, guys, which is going to select this. So these two records will be selected. After that, select clause will execute and it will, whatever is present in like result table, it will be printed. It will be printed. So like this, guys, execution is going to. So at last, your select clause will execute and it will print, guys, all these records. It will print, it will select the complete. Yes. So if you have any doubt, please ask. Ravi, what is your doubt in the sense what you asked? Yeah, it will check the entered value. It will check the entered value. Yes, it will check the whatever value we have specified, is it present or not? Is it present or not? Clear? As any one of you is having any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Any one of you? Then please ask. If no doubt, guys, then please copy down this roughly. You got also, guys, please copy down this roughly. Yeah, all of you guys. But not like this. Write down in your notebook very neatly. Please take down query and table and copy down very neatly in your notebook, guys. Then we'll solve queries on this. I hope done, guys. I have copied. Okay, fine, guys. Cool. So let us solve some queries on this. Let us solve, guys, some queries. So write a query to display details of all the employees, all the employees who are eh, who are earning who are earning salary greater than who are earning salary greater than 1,500. So I want to display the details of employee guys who are earning salary greater than 1,500. Next query, write a query to display name of employees, and his job if and only if he working is working as president. If and only if he is working as president. We'll solve as few of them. Next, write a query to display. Write a query to display name, comma salary with hike of 10%, if if their salary is less than 2,000. So meanwhile, guys, just copy down all the queries in your notebook and leave 2-3 lines of space. We'll discuss one by one, guys. Next, write a query to display just copy down, guys, parallelly all the queries. guys, just copy down all the queries and solve it. Okay, one more. Let me give. Yes, guys. So we'll solve few of them one by one. So first query, guys, it's very simple. Write a query to display details of employee who are getting salary, work earning salary more than 1,500. So I hope all of you are able to do this. This is the easiest query. So what you will write? Select all the details in the sense star. So these details are present. These information are present in employee table. So from EMP. Now we have to filter the name of employees or the details of employee who are getting salary more than 1,500. So where salary greater than 1 to 5 times. Yes. So let me write, guys, and let me write and execute. So first clear the screen. Just a second, guys. Yes, so in my case also, now I will have 14 records. So let me write the query whatever I type. So guys, just check and let me know how many employees are getting salary greater than 1,500, 800, not selected, 1,600, selected, 2,975, selected, 1,250, not selected, 2,850, selected, 2,450, selected, 3,000, selected, 5,000, selected. So how many, guys? 7. So let me execute and we'll see we are getting 7 rows selected or not. So yes, you can see we are getting, guys, 7 rows selected. Yes, guys, you can see 7 rows. Okay. So next query, write a query to display. So guys, these all query you just try and come. If you have doubt, we'll discuss tomorrow. Yes. So I'll solve this query, guys. One second query I'll solve. Remaining all the queries you just try, practice. We'll solve tomorrow if you have any doubt. Yeah. So select, write a query display name of employees and his job. I want name and their job if and only if he is working as president. So select employees. So ename name. So ename comma job from EMP where so this let us say what is this president is nothing but it is also a job, guys. So where job is equals to president, where job is equals to president. So let me try to execute now. Yes, let me try to execute now. So guys, how many employee we do have who is working as president. So only one employee, guys, and the name is King, and salary is 5,000. Yes. So now let me write the same query and execute. But we are getting, guys, no row selected. We are getting here no row selected. Why so? We are getting, guys, no row selected. But why? Yes, correct, Nitin and Akash. I told you SQL is case insensitive language, but the data present inside a table is case sensitive. Data present is case sensitive. So what we have to do? We have to write in uppercase, press it. So please don't do mistake, guys. Please don't do any mistake whenever you will write a query like this. So we got one thing. So job and name. If you want, yes. So this is the query we need to. Yes, guys. Tell me out. Go for this query now. Write a query to display details of employee hired before 1982. You can solve these two query. I know these queries are easy. Yes, this one hired before. No, titles or column names are case insensitive. Yeah, title or column names are case insensitive. Only the data present in a table is case sensitive. Yeah. Yes, guys, go for this query. Write a query, display all the details of employee hired before 1982. So just try and let me know, guys. Fast. Okay. So guys, remember in Oracle database, we have to, even if we are trying to fetch the data, you have to pass in DDMMYY itself. Whatever, like the way the data or this higher data is present in same way you have to pass. Yes. So hired before 1982, guys. So it will be less than or greater than 1982. Less than or greater than, guys. Less than or greater than. Okay. So select all the details start from EMP where higher date is equals to, okay, not equal to, higher date greater than or less than. Yes, higher date less than. So I'll pass here 01 Jan. So first date I'll pass 1980. 1982. Is it correct, guys? Let me check. Let me check. Is it correct or not? Whatever I wrote, guys, is it correct? Greater than equal to. Okay. Now let me. So I got, guys, 11 rows selected. Now let me verify it. Let me verify it. Select start from email. So hired before 1982. Before 1982, guys. So now let me check how many employees has been hired before 1982. Yes, 80. One employee, 81, 81, 81. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are getting, guys, here you can see 11 rows. So yes, this is the correct. Yeah, this is the correct query. We wrote the correct. Yes. Go for next, guys. Go for next now. No, we have to pass here. Mansa, we have to pass. You have to pass DDMMYY because we have to check date and month also, no? Yes. So all of you guys just try next query. I'm getting answer only from Akash. What about others? Guys, try fast. Okay, let me check it, guys. So first, select ename comma job comma salary from EMP guys, where annual salary exceeds 14,000. So in where clause we'll write salary into 12. Salary into 12 greater than yeah, yes. I didn't get. Vidya, what is your doubt? I didn't get. Can you please repeat once? Yeah. So where salary into 12 greater than 14,000. 14. Let me write. Let me write, guys. So we got 11 rows selected. 11 rows selected. Now, if you want, please verify with the table. So select sal into 12 from EMP. Just let us check how many salaries greater than 14,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just a second, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and these two. Yes, 11. No, it was comma. It was comma with them. Yeah. Okay, guys. One thing I need to ask: Can we perform aliasing in where clause? Can we perform aliasing in where clause, guys? No, we can. Shall we try them? Okay. Use ed as annual salary, as annual set. Can we do like this? No, guys. Error will come. We can't perform aliasing. Aliasing can be done only in select clause. Remember, aliasing can be done only in select clause. It cannot be done in where clause or in any other clause, guys. It's not possible. Aliasing is possible only in select clause, because in select clause we are going to fetch the data, we are fetching the record, and we are giving a temporary name, we are giving an alternate name. So yes, it's not possible. Yes, guys, remember that. But if you want, just take it down or more. Aliasing cannot be done in where clause. Yes, guys, last query. Yes, last query, guys. All of you try and let me know. Okay, fine. Let me try, guys. Yeah, I'll do it now. So all the details of employee and annual salary if he works as analyst. Very simple, guys. Very simple query. Nothing is there in this. So select e-name, comma, annual salary. So sal into 12. So whenever you are doing like this, please perform aliasing. Annual salary. It's not required, but it's better to give alias name from emp where job is equals to analyst. Job is equals to analyst. So let me clear the screen. Okay, all the details. Fine. Then star you can use. If I give all the details, you can use a star. All the details are, yeah, all the details there. Yes, yes. So just use like this. emp.star. emp.star. And then you can perform like this. Yes. So guys, tell me how many analysts we do have? How many analysts we do have, guys? two, let us see, we have two analysts. So what are the names we have? We have Ford and okay. So guys, any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Guys, yeah, yes, yes. So what? No, guys, studies link I don't have. Studies link I don't have. I don't know. Sometimes it won't be stored in D. No, we can't use aliasing in where clause. Chaitra, we have seen we can't use. Okay, Mansa, at last I'll share, don't worry. Yes. So guys, we are done with selection, we are done with projection. So you want me to continue or you want me to stop here itself, guys? Shall we continue? Okay. Or if you have doubt, guys, okay. So guys, tomorrow you will not have SQL class. Tomorrow you are not having SQL class, guys, because I'm traveling to Bangalore. So tomorrow I'm not able to take your SQL class. So Saturday, Sunday, guys, will manage. Tomorrow you are free. So revise all the concepts, guys. Tomorrow you will not have a skill class. So guys, shall we continue now? One small topic, or you want me to stop? Okay, hungry. Okay. So you can join J2EE. See, you can join both, but J2EE in the sense JDBC and SQL are little related. So better first do web classes. First you do web. Yeah, I'll try to share. Let me check. Like today, it has been recorded. I'm recording, but let me check. It has been uploaded or not. So after 10 or 15 minutes only, I'll get to it. We'll continue. Okay. Or no, guys. Okay. Okay. Just I'll give a brief, guys. I won't. We won't solve queries and all. Just I'll give an introduction of. Yeah. I'll just give an introduction. Then we'll stop. So next clause we are going to discuss as order by clause. Order by clause. So we have seen select clause, we have seen from clause, we have seen where clause. Next clause guys, we have something as order by clause. So any guess guys, what is the use of order by clause, or what do you mean by order by clause? Any guess? Just introduction will do today guys. We won't solve queries enough. Yes. So as name itself is saying order, it is going to sort the record based on ascending or descending. So you can say it is used to sort the records. So just I'll give a theory for this. We'll do introduction part. Queries will solve in next class. Don't worry. So order by clause, order by clause is used to sort, or you can say arrange, sort or arrange the records either in ascending, or descending, or descending. Yes. Next point, by default, order by clause, order by clause will sort the record, in ascending order. So the records in ascending. So yes, we can sort the records in ascending or descending order, but by default, guys, the records will be sorted in ascending order by using order by clause. So let us go for syntax. Let's go for syntax, guys. So same thing as again, we are going to add here order by clause. We will have these conditions, or if you don't want, like if you want to go for selection, sorry, if you want to go for projection, then you will not have there. But I'll do for everything. Yeah. So this will remain same. We are going to write guys one more clause, that is order by clause. Order by clause. We are going to write, or you can say order by, sorry, not clause here, order by column, order by column name. We have to write order by column name, and then we have to specify column name or expression, then you can write here ascending or descending, yes. Then we can write ascending or descending. Order by column name or expression. If you want to sort in ascending, write ASC. If you want to sort in descending, write DES. Yes. So now let us talk about order of execution. So guys, for everything here, order of execution matters. Even in interview, they are going to ask. Guys. So order of execution matters a lot here. Yes. So basically, how many clauses we have? We have 4 clauses. So tell me guys, which clause will execute first? Yeah, obviously from clause. From clause will execute. After that, where clause, no doubt. So guys, this where clause will execute how? How this where clause will execute? So it will execute row by row by execute row by row. After where clause, guys, select clause will execute. Select clause will execute. Even after whatever executed after where clause, it will be executed, guys, row by row only. So this also row by. At last, guys, your order clause will execute. This will execute. So even this will execute row by. So this is all about, guys, introduction of your order by clause. So what is the use of order by clause? It is used to sort the record in ascending or descending order. By default, it will sort in ascending. Now, what is the syntax? You can see on the screen. Now, in this case, first from clause will execute, then where clause, then select clause. At last, whatever we have selected, from that, the records will be arranged with the help of order by clause. So just a small query, write a query, write a query to, write a query to sort the records in ascending order, write the records, yeah, records in ascending order based on salary. Yes, guys. Very simple query. Will stop by itself. We won't proceed. Just one example I'm giving. Next class will continue. So, guys, tell me, write a query to sort the records. We have to sort the records, guys, in ascending order. Based on what? Based on salary. So, what query we are going to write, guys? Yes, nothing great. What about others? I'm getting answer only from Akash. Naveen, okay. Next, what about others? Okay, guys, no problem. So, but they have not mentioned print all the details or what. Print all the details of employee. So just I'll write select star from EMP order by next based on what? Salary. Based on salary. Do no need to specify, guys, ASC. No need to specify ASC because by default order by clause will sort in ascending only. If you want, you can specify, but it's not required. It's optional. So let me write, guys. So you can see your records. Your records has been sorted based on ascending order, or you can say ascending order based on salary. If you want, you can make use of ASC also. Output will remain same. Output will remain same. Yes. Now, if you want to sort in descending order, so just write there DES. DES. Now you can see all the records have been sorted based on salary in descending order. Yes. So guys, we'll proceed. We'll see example on this. Even we'll see if we'll pass two column, then what is going to happen. We'll see many more things. We'll continue in next class. So please copy down all this point first. We'll stop here. So please copy down, guys. All of you copy down all this. And guys, copy to everyone. No doubt. If you have any doubt, guys, please ask. Otherwise, we are going to stop here itself. Today we'll stop here itself. No doubt, guys, or any doubt. All of you have installed the software. Okay, good. So, guys, please practice. Please practice. Okay, group link I'll share. Mansa, just wait for 1 minute. I'll share the group link. Or just I'll give my number. So just ping me. I'll add you in the. Yeah. So I'm typing my number in here. So please ping me. Yes. Yeah. So okay, guys, we'll stop itself. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Next class you will have on day after tomorrow, not tomorrow. So bye bye. Study properly. If you have any doubt, let me know in next class. Thank you.